Your curves, your scent, your eyes are making it hard to get to know you.
Hello everyone, Miss Red here, and today I am going to take you to my first walking tour here in Georgia, and that will be in the Narikala Fortress, and we will discover all the other spots surrounding the fort. So, let's start.
I think this is the Bethlehem Church.
Actually, this is St. Nicholas Church. St. Nicholas Church is located in the lower court of Narikala Fort in Georgia. The church was originally built in the 13th century and recently restored in 1996 to 1997 when the church was destroyed in a fire.
I don't really know what you mean when you say I'm not what you need. Cause I've seen the look you give me, and it's a silent killer.
Mother of Georgia.
Mother of Georgia, or Mother of Kartli, is a monument in Georgia's capital, Tbilisi. She symbolizes the Georgian national character. In her left hand, she holds a bowl of wine to greet those who come as friends, and in her right is a sword of those who come as enemies. No entrance fee when you visit Mother of Georgia.
For you all night, just face it. I'm gonna make you mine, I'll be your angel. You got it right, be my silent killer.
This is the Narikala Fortress, also called the Mother Fortress of Tbilisi. Narikala is an ancient symbol of Tbilisi's defense. The fortress was established in the 14th century around the period when the city itself was founded. Actually, the name Narikala is said to derive from a Persian word for citadel, but another theory says it was the name that Mongols used, meaning little fortress. Narikala offers you some of the best panoramas of the city.
My silent killer. Ooh, baby. Silent killer.
On and on we push into the thick of it.
We are here at the National Botanical Garden of Georgia. It is a perfect place for both rest and relaxation, as well as for people who are interested in extremes, climbing, and science.
Your curves, your scent, your eyes are making it hard to get to know you. Cause you fill the silence with the language of my heart, so we never get to talk things over. Oh, there's something you
From Narikala Fortress, it is possible to go down to the Botanical Garden on a zip line if you are that adventurous.
said in the dark illuminated your heart, and just like that the whole thing changed. Something I saw in your car showed me the person you are, and set the monster free from its cage. So when I say
Tbilisi's Botanical Garden is one of the most beautiful places. A variety of flowering gardens, alleys, paths, water lily pools, exotic plants, of course the very famous waterfalls, and the beautiful little bridges create an attractive atmosphere. That is why it is very popular. Actually, there is an entrance fee for the National Botanical Garden of Tbilisi.
My best friend, we start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart
tayo ngayon sa falls ng Georgia. So nice.
Afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll